Hi, this is a tutorial on how to install Blender 3D for Windows. This will allow you to get started in 3D modeling. Now head to this link, blender.org, and it might take a bit to load. Now go to the download. Now there will be other versions for download, like you can download for Mac or Linux, but see, as you see, and you can even install for Steam, which is a bit cool. So you can also use the .zip, which is effectively a portable version, but for now I'm going to go with the 64-bit installer, which is what most of you would choose. Might take a little bit to download, but now when you're opening this, you will go through a few dialogues, and there will be a UAC prompt, so keep that in mind. There might be a warning, but just click run because it's safe. As long as you download it from the Blender website, it's safe. So I wouldn't recommend downloading it from anywhere else. Now click next, agree, and next. Now this is just don't worry about this. It will automatically be clicked by default. Now go next and click install. Now there will be a UAC prompt, which I was talking about earlier, and hold on, wait for it. It might take a little bit depending on how fast your computer. There we go. That was the UAC prompt. I doubt you could have seen it though. Now it's going to install the rest of the files. Now, depending on where you installed it, you will be able to, there will be a shortcut most times. So after it's done copying the new files, which should be done in a second. Hold on. It may take a little bit of time depending on your computer. Here we are. Nearly finished. Now it's just registering all the file extensions so that you can open .blend files in Blender. Now, Blender is installed. So if we go over here, if we just see it, Blender's right there. But we're actually going to go to the file itself. So if we go to File Explorer, and we go to where it was installed, so local disk, and then we go to Program Files, Blender Foundation, and Blender.exe will be right there. So that's how you open Blender. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to upvote and follow.